Hi guys, I'm Sansana, virtual MC of That's the Truth channel. Today I'm going to bring in the news that NASA has escuded to CCEPT the possibility of alternatives. NASA has been forced to come up with an answer about an intelligent life more likely than ours that may exist outside of Earth after the agency confronted conspiracy theorists with numerous theories. The U.S. space agency NASA is the world leader in space exploration, but the search for extraterrestrial life since its inception has not yielded any results. Some scientists speculate the first humans to land on Mars will find evidence of microbial life. Others have looked to the Moon and Saturn's Enceladus in hopes of finding life in its salty oceans. According to many conspiracy theorists, they assert that alien life definitely exists in the vast universe out there. Some negative researchers have even made claims that NASA and other governments have the answer to the question, are we really alone in the universe? In 2007, NASA faced several accusations that the space agency had ignored the possibility that an intelligent life did not exist solely on Earth. One person posted this question on the website of NASA's Science Institute and LSI, now the Solar System Exploration Research Institute. SSRV wrote, why do the government and NASA both continue to ignore that the evidence is almost certain of the existence of intelligent life throughout space? Their aim is to make humans believe that they are the only intelligent living beings despite being naive and ignorant. Even if all reports of UFO and extraterrestrial communications are false, it still doesn't make sense that humans are alone. After following this brief debate, many people have actually pondered whether or not the possibility of another different life exists, even though they were almost unconcerned before that. David Morrison, then interim director of the NASA Institute, said, I don't know who you're complaining about in the government and NASA. We've never heard of ignore statements like the ones you mentioned. Of course there is a possibility and indeed a probability of another life. However, so far we have not seen any evidence of that, but that does not satisfy people and still always believe what they want to believe. Perhaps what confuses you now is the concept of belief in this life. Science is not a matter of belief, but of evidence. In everyday life, everyone holds beliefs, but this is not a good word to apply to our scientific understanding of nature. Another also asked the space agency, do you believe aliens exist? Brad Bailey, a scientist of staff at LSI, said, I'm really curious about your definition of alien and whether you include all life as we know it or not. Just some other intelligent life, but according to SETI studies analysis of Martian meteorites, recent discoveries of methane in the Martian atmosphere, and other similar studies, there's no proof of life by any definition, but personally being optimistic and wanting to believe it, I feel Ellie Arroway's Jodie Foster speaks about it beautifully in film Contact 1997. I'll tell you one thing about the universe, though the universe is a pretty big place. It's bigger than anything anyone has ever dreamed of before. So if it's just us, it seemed like a terrible waste of space. Later this month, NASA will launch the Perseverance Mars 2020 rover. The main goal of the mission is to collect and analyze samples of Martian life for signs of ancient life. Finally, what do you think about this information, or comment below, and don't forget, subscribe and turn on the bell to receive new videos soon. Hello, goodbye.